In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the primary, social, and promotions tabs in Gmail. It's a simple way to organize your inbox and make sure you don't miss out on important emails or fun updates from your friends and social networks. Let's dive right in and get started on enhancing your email experience. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox laid out before you. For this tutorial, we're focusing on configuring how your inbox is structured, so let's head over to the settings. In the upper right corner of Gmail, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on that gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see a quick settings option, which gives you a glimpse of some tweakable features. But for our purpose, you'll want to click on See All Settings to unlock the full array of options available to you. Once you're in the full settings view, you'll be presented with a series of tabs at the top. Click on the tab labeled Inbox. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to enable the primary, social, and promotions tabs. In the inbox settings, you will see a section called Inbox Type. Make sure it is set to Default. This is essential because using a different inbox type will not display the tabs option. Right below, you'll find a section called Categories. Here, you have the opportunity to customize how Gmail organizes your emails. To enable the tabs, simply check the boxes next to Primary, Social, and Promotions. The Primary tab will be your main hub for person-to-person emails, the Social tab will filter communications from social networks, and the Promotions tab will collect promotional and marketing emails. These settings are designed to help streamline your email management by sorting messages into categories. Once you've selected the tabs you want to appear, don't forget to scroll down and click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This ensures that your new settings are applied and ready to go. And there you have it. With these steps, your Gmail inbox should now be equipped with the primary, social, and promotions tabs, neatly organizing your incoming emails into these different categories. This organization makes it much easier to prioritize which emails to read first, providing a cleaner and more manageable inbox. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for keeping your emails organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life.